What a stepped hole counterbore, crimping hole and veering pad. First stepped hole, also known as step hole, is generally in a drilling process for production. Drill a through hole with a drill bit, and then drill a half through hole. The board can't be drilled through when the large drill bit is drilled. Step hole is common in the market at present between 100 and SXTY only 180 degrees. It is mainly used for welding and fixing some professional parts. Currently PCBBUY new technology stepped hole can also be processed. This is the step hole made by the customer in other factories before, and the angle is controlled at about 170 degrees. This was made in the hunting board factory, 180 degrees. And what the customer wants is 180 degrees. He came to us because other factories couldn't do what he wanted. Although the difference is only 10 degrees, it is very strict to control the accuracy of the process. This may be a strong demonstration of the strength of the factory. Counterbore is generally produced in appearance process. Use a gun machine to bear the shape of the desired hole. The whole wall is copper-free. Counterbore subdivision is also called counterbore hole, also called funnel hole. The difference between counterbore and counterbore lies in the reaming of the upper part of the bolt hole, and counterbore is a straight tube structure. Counterbore is a 45-degree structure, which is smoother than counterbore. The upper reaming of the bolt hole can accommodate the bolt head, so that the screw head is not higher than the surrounding surface. And the common counterbore in the market is such a 90 degrees counterbore. It is mainly used to install screws for IC or other parts. Crimping hole has the same aperture as the through holes, but the aperture tolerance is generally plus or minus 2 mm. It has high requirements for aperture accuracy. The function is to directly insert the pin of the component and conduct current through the contact between the pin and the whole wall without welding. General crimp hole board surface treatment will use hassle. It's mainly used for inserting parts. Veering pad is the hole in the bottom of the pad. Generally speaking, the diameter of the disc hole can't be greater than 0.5 mm. Generally this kind of hole will be resin plug hole, and then spread a layer of copper in the orifice, so that the surface looks like the whole board is a big copper surface, the hole buried in the bottom of the welding board. The veering pad is mainly used for conduction. Thanks for watching, see you next time.